Hi guys, today we will talk about how to find live locations on your WhatsApp app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your WhatsApp app. All you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this sign here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this, and you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here, and you just click here on privacy. Then it's going to take you here in this window, and you just go down here. Then you come here to live location, you will click here and it's going to take you here in this window. Then here you can find your all live location you share with with chats. So I have uh, no live location in any chats with in my WhatsApp. So that's all you have to do. Here you will find this window here to live locations. I wish know you I give it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.